Hi everyone, I'm Mr. Jeet Patel, owner of a Cube Matrix Academy. By a profession, as informed, I am a chess and the Rubik's Cube coach with 28 different centers in Mumbai. I have started my career in 2014 and today, not only in Mumbai, we are even teaching online chess and Rubik's Cube classes in 7 different countries. Frequently, we are organizing tournaments so that the kids get more exposure. Today, at this position I have reached is only possible with the family support, God grace, and students' love. Now, let me start with my topic, which is how to replace gadgets with the memory games like chess, Rubik's Cubes, and more about. There are many advantages of using gadgets, but nowadays, people are using it excess, especially students and youngsters. Majority parents are coming to me with a complaint that kids are always playing mobile games, watching TVs, suffering on social medias, etc., and wasting their time. Let me inform you in detail about the same then. So, what are the disadvantages of gadgets on students? I'll explain it to you. Electronic gadgets offer many advantages to students: greater access to information, increasing opportunity for collaboration, independent learning, and enhancing communication. However, the effect of gadgets on students are not always positive. Overuse of technology through gadgets like smartphone, iPad, and video games may interfere with the student's attention, ability, and interest in learning. What are the effects of gadgets on learning? Let us discuss on that. A decreased attention span is one of the negative impact of gadgets. Because smartphone and tablets were mainstream, the average attention span was about 12 seconds. However, research suggested in 23rd of August 2018, this has dropped to 8 seconds, which is even shorter attention span than a golden fish. If students struggle to concentrate in class, their grades may suffer. Research also suggests that people who spend lot of time on gadgets may be more easily distracted, meaning it is harder for them to complete necessary tasks. Students who become addicted to games, testing, or social media may try to do this in class, which may disturb their learning and lead to disciplinary action. At home, it might interfere with the study time also. What are the disadvantages of gadgets on health? Let us explain, understand it. The negative effect of electronic gadgets on health are well documented. Precedent use of gadget encourage of lifestyle and many leads to poor posture and weight gain. In extreme cases, this may cause obesity, neck and back issues, and wrist and hand pain. Also, the backlist screen of computer, iPad, and video game may cause eye problem and headaches and put user a great risk of macular degeneration, which is leading cause of blindness. Effects of gadgets on sleep. Watching TVs or using smartphone, tablets, laptop, or other types of electronics device late at night may interfere with the student's sleep pattern. Nowadays, parents and everyone are expecting that child should not use it. But to be precise, adults are only using it more at late night. The artificial blue light emitted by electronic device suppresses the release of sleep, including hormones manipulating, which delay the body interior clock and make falling asleep more difficult. A student who finds it difficult to switch off their gadgets may delay her sleep time, which decrease the time of REM sleep she gets and make her less alert in the class with the following day then. Advantages and disadvantages are both together of gadgets. Nowadays, we can't neglect or keep the gadget aside. It's important to weigh the advantage and disadvantages of gadgets. Technology is not avoidable part of modern life, and outright being of gadgets for students, either in school or at home, isn't the answer. WHO World Health Organization have recognized that game addiction is a mental health disorder. So it's a mental health disorder which is not at all good. There are many more drawbacks which comes for the same. The first is behavior and mental changes. The second is lack of other hobbies and poor academic performance. Gaming addiction can also slow down your brain growth and even negatively impact eyesight and other results in insomnia. Let me give you the detailed idea about what are the benefits of memory games like chess and Rubik's Cube. Till now, I have discussed all the majority points of disadvantage from using gadgets. Now, how we can replace it with the memory games. So first, let me share you in detail what are the benefits of learning memory games like chess and Rubik's Cube. It is both way beneficial, physically and even mental benefit is there. Let us discuss about physical benefits, which are improving your reliefs on keeping solving it. Second, it gives finger determination and ability. It improves your hand and eye coordination, help you to increase creative as well as logical aspect of everyone. There are many other mental benefits also. It has been found that engaging your child in a mental activity like solving puzzles, coordinative games can help keep the mind sharp in old age. So, when you get old and your friends had faded into obscurity, you can still be sharp because you have fed right thing to your right brain. Mental benefits are sharpen logical thinking. Second, improve concentration, focus, academic result, attention, discipline, etc. Problem solving skills comes from the same. Optimization is the most important benefit comes from the memory games. Reframing problem, breaking multiple tasks into an easy task. Memory games even teaches you a life lesson like preserving patience, ability to focus, concentration, etc. If you haven't learned to solve a Rubik's Cube or to play a chess, I'll suggest you to learn it. Some some take it long and some take it quickly. Regarding the joy of satisfaction, it will be playing it and parallelly unmatched. Now, let us discuss in detail regarding how we can change our habit because changing the habit is not at all easier. Majority time we decide using a gadget, we will be on a social media for only 5 minutes, but we end up it with around 2 to 3 hours, and then it's totally waste of time. My best suggestions to all my viewers will be delete the app from your mobile only. Now, you all will be surprised that this is not the solution because we need to even be in socially touch with everyone. Then keep a proper idea about watching it for 5 minutes on desktop rather than the mobile. Because when you start it in the mobile at late night or at your office work, it disturbs your timing also, and it's not a good idea also to be done. So getting it done online on your desktop, you will be just surfing it for 5 minutes, checking the important things, and you will be moving out for your next thing. But watching it same on your mobile, it won't be the good idea because as I said, it back to back scrolling down and you will be wasting your time. Thank you everyone for being there. Thank you.